Okay, so hi all, this is a ninebot Elite battery and I got error number 37 when I activated it, and then I checked the battery and I was amazed to find that something with the voltage is incorrect. And eventually what I found is that two of the cells were disconnected. I have the cells here, I can show you. This is one of the cell. It is written LGDBMG 11865. Okay, so I will check the voltage of this cell, and amazingly you will see that there is no voltage. Also on the other cell, two cells in parallel, so I had to remove them both from this battery. So I did cut the plastic on the other side here, and then I pushed it after, of course, I disconnect the nickel strip. And this is after I connect this balancer. This is the NNEY that I already talked about in my previous video, and you can see it. I thought maybe there is a balance issue here, but this was not the balance issue. This is something different, just the cells are dead. And I found other cells that I have from my other junk, let's say junk things, and I found two cells that look basically the same. The number is not the same. It is here, it is LGEBMG 11865, but I think that those two can be more or less the same. I checked the internal resistance. The ones that I replace have a little lower internal resistance, so this is eventually good. It's not the best because you want everything to be balanced, but it's not a big issue, it's not a big difference, a few milliohms lower. And that's also, I now will connect the new cells, and I push it, and then I of course will use and connect new metal strip with the welder machines, and then hopefully everything will be good. So I'm just sharing, but just be careful when you're dealing with battery and BMS and all this stuff. You have to be very careful. Make sure that the cells are almost fully discharged, and then you can try safely to do the work. Okay, so this is how it looks after I did all the modification. As you can see, put a new nickel strip on this side, also of course on this side, and now everything is okay. And I'm doing a balancing using the NEEY balancer. You can see now there is a diff between the cells. Yeah, try to focus here. So the diff here is almost 200 millivolt, and this is working. In order to do the balancing, when everything will be done, I will connect again the BMS that came with it and charge it, and hopefully everything will be okay. Okay, so after closing with the new battery, let's do the test. Yeah, this is actually working, as you can see. So the fix did work. So thank you and bye.